How to upload PDF to Google Drive. This will be the same process whether you're on a MacBook laptop or if you're on a Windows PC computer. So what you want to do first of all, once you're on the Google Drive website, you want to go towards New at the top left hand corner, click on that. Then once you're there, you will see the options and you'll want to click on File Upload. Then that will bring up all your files on your computer. Go ahead and find the PDF that you want to upload. So for mine, it's going to be the one at the top there, subscribe123.pdf. So click on that, then click open at the bottom right. Similar thing on Windows PCs as well. And then on the bottom right hand corner, you will see it will be uploaded there. You can click show file in location to make sure that it's actually on Google Drive. As you can see, subscribe123.pdf is there, so it has worked. Leave a like on the video if that helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.